What's up, you guys? This is Tim Trevathan with Tim Trevathan Homes on a new construction video, and this one is called Ward's Crossing, built by the Providence Group in Johns Creek, Georgia. Yes, a very sought-after area in Johns Creek, and it's hard to find some good new construction in this area because simply all of those communities have been built long ago. Providence Group was very well known for Belmore Park that broke ground back in 2017. Took a good 4 or 5 years to finally finish out, but this is another opportunity if you like Providence Group and want to be in the Johns Creek area. This has a mixture of single family and townhomes, and they have 128 lots in total. Now, I will say that single family has already sold out, and it's predominantly townhomes that are in this community anyway, and those are the ones that are available still, which they've got several different home designs, such as the Jacobson 1 and the Jacobson 2, and the Ellington home design, which is their biggest one. That's about 2,600, 2,700 square feet. The lowest price one, starting price is at $698,595, and that is the home of the month, Jacobson 2, and that is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home. And then it goes up from there. The Ellington, again, being the biggest floor plan, that one, it can go as high as $861,975. There's a lot of great features. To me, I think Providence Group is one of the best builders in Atlanta, metro Atlanta area, because of the quality of their product. And they've got materials that, for me, I feel like they are pretty upscale for being standard features. And they've got some really great design selections as far as adding things to it if you want. They have a great incentive going on right now of $20,000 if you use their preferred lender, and they've got several that you could choose from. Basically, it's flex cash any way you want, so you can use it to buy down your interest rate, or a credit towards your closing costs, or a sales price reduction, or any combination of those things, and an additional $5,000 incentive if you close by the end of this month. Now, I know it's already almost at the end of the year, but they are extending this until the end of January. So still, you have an opportunity. Some of the features that you might see in these homes have things like 42-inch upper bell cabinets with crown molding in the kitchen, with quartz countertops and ceramic tile backsplash as a standard, along with the hood vent. You've got hard surface flooring, which is mostly engineered hardwood, but is of good quality, and a lot of different kinds of color schemes that you could choose from. And of course, the bathrooms, you've got quartz countertops in those as well, and you got a lot of different qualities to the rest of the bathrooms, such as porcelain coated steel tub and ceramic tile floor throughout, including the pan, which usually, not always, is a ceramic tile flooring or tile at all, but in this case it is. The HOA here is $175 per month for single family. Since townhomes are the only ones that are available, it's $235 a month, and this includes just the overall area maintenance of the entranceway and the common areas elsewhere, as well as a swimming pool, the gated part of it, because this is a gated community, which is great, a termite bond, as well as cutting the grass and the outside maintenance of the home. If you live in the home long enough, you will get to benefit in that in terms of the siding and the gutters and the roof. There is a one-time initiation fee of $28.20. That's for all the townhomes when you first buy. And then after that, it's just a $235 per month for the entire time that you own the home. If you're looking to get a contract on one of these properties, basically you have to sign the contract itself as well as deposit the earnest money. I believe it's $15,000 for this one, and it could be more depending on the different design options that you choose if it's one that is not move-in ready already. This is zoned in the Johns Creek High School District, which is a very good and high-ranking school, and you're near a lot of different amenities and places that you can go and visit. This is one of the best parts about Ward's Crossing, in my opinion, is the location, where you're really close to Duluth, where you could go to the Koreatown as well as the downtown Duluth area, and then you're in Johns Creek, where you could be closer to Alpharetta, where there's Lake Windward, the Avalon, downtown Alpharetta, and not far from Roswell, the Chattahoochee River, and different various golf clubs, North Point Mall as well. Emory Johns Creek Hospital is nearby for healthcare services. there is a tremendous amount going on in this area. And then you're down the street from the Forum in Peachtree Corners as well. So it's just amazing in terms of the location. And you can see some of these floor plans that I'm gonna show you here in a minute where they're just absolutely stunning inside and out. And you're really gonna have a good idea of what to expect. If you need buyer representation, you can give me a call. I represent clients on the buyer side with new construction homes. It's not just resale. In fact, I have one that's closing this week as I'm speaking. So it's very much helpful because it's to your gain. You don't pay my commission. For me, it's the builder that pays mine. And so it's really to your gain to have an extra pair of eyes like me on the contract process, trying to negotiate even on the price and different kinds of upgrades, and as well as connecting you to the right lenders if it's not the preferred lender, and as well as the inspector and so forth. And there's a lot of different tips and tricks that I could give as far as design options if you wanted to even install something custom, although I know Providence Group is already quite good to begin with. So anyway, check out my part 1 and part 2 videos of the step-by-step process of how to buy a new construction home. You'll see that there's a lot that goes into it with new construction versus resale. And you will see quickly as you watch these videos. And then hopefully I can hear from you soon and so that we can work together. Now check out these model home tours and make sure not to salivate too much.